Hip cars or controlled articular rotations is an exercise we use to help improve or maintain joint range of motion, improve overall joint health, strength, mobility, and decrease muscle and joint tension. To get started, you're going to be in the quadruped position, so your shoulders are stacked above your wrist and your hips are stacked above your knees. Spine is in a nice neutral position. So go ahead and engage all the muscles around your core, squeeze those tightly, and then go ahead and put a mild contraction through the muscles around the hip. So make sure we maintain that contraction. We're breathing as we do this exercise. And so to get started, I'm going to draw my knee forward. And we're going to do some hip flexion. Go as far as you can. Once you reach that end range, we're going to go ahead and kick out into hip abduction. And once you get to that end range as well, then we're going to kick up into extension. Go up as far as you can. Then start to draw your knee towards midline, adduction, and then come back into that starting position. And so basically we're drawing a big circle with our hip, but the knee is sort of the guide. And repeat that 2 to 3 times forward. And then we have to do it in the reverse as well. So from that starting position, you're going to kick your heel towards the ceiling, going into hip extension. You can maintain that contraction. We're breathing. Once you reach that end range, we're going to draw our knee out. Right, we're going into abduction. And then up into flexion. Back towards midline. And then we're going to touch down into the center. So as we do this, try to minimize yourself moving too much, compensating, and really focus on staying as neutral as possible.